In this video, we will learn about the law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy states that neither energy can be created nor can it be destroyed. It can just be transformed from one form to another. Mr. Atul Malhotra of Puran Chandra Vidya Niketan, Kanpur will tell us more about this topic.
The next one topic is we will study about the law of conservation of energy. In this topic, we will prove that neither the energy can be created nor it can be destroyed. It can only transferred from one form of energy to the another. For the proof, we will choose 3 points A, B and C in the vertical direction, and suppose a block of mass m is dropped from the point A. Let the height of point A from above the ground is h and the position of point B above the point is h minus x. It means the position of point B from the A is at a distance x. Now we calculate the total energy at A. It is given as sum of kinetic energy at A plus potential energy at A. As the ball is dropped, it means the kinetic energy at A is 0 and the potential energy is mgh. So total energy at A is equal to mgh. First equation. Now we calculate the total energy at B. Again we write it as sum of kinetic energy at B plus potential energy at B. The kinetic energy at B is given as half m Vb ka square plus mg h dash. Now by the third equation of motion, we can write it as Vb is equal to under root 2gx whole square plus mg in the bracket h minus x. On solving it, we will get kinetic energy at B is equal to half m 2gx plus mg h minus x. We will get it as kinetic energy at B is equal to mgh. At C, again we will write it as total energy at C is equal to kinetic energy at C plus potential energy at C. You can write it as kinetic energy at C half m Vc square plus potential energy at C mg, and the height is right now is 0. Now we write it as half m, in the place of Vc we will write 2gh ka square plus 0, that is equal to mgh. It means the total energy at all the points A, B and C remains constant, and it shows the law of conservation of energy.
For more such videos, log on to CBSE section of jagranjosh.com.